up, guys? Hope you're doing well. I'm feeling just perfect because I'm outside. I'm in Kenya. It's so gorgeous here. It's a wonderful day to talk about the air. If we have lungs, motorcycles have an air cleaning system. I've got a couple emails asking me to make a video about how to clean stock air filter on Harley Davidson. Actually, I tried to find some videos on YouTube, but what I found, just a bunch of guys telling how to get rid of stock air filter. I get it, I really do, but what about people who are not down to customize their stock air filter? Here I am with full custom motorcycle and I still have the stock air filter. Let's go to garage and get started. My bike is a 2019 Softail Slim with round air cleaner. In owner's manual, I found a paragraph related to air cleaner and I just follow instructions. Step 1. Remove the screw and then cover. Step 2. Remove screws. Remove filter element while pulling breather tube from element. Step 3. Remove breathe tube from breather bolts and inspect it, replace if necessary. Now it's time to go to the filter element cleaning section. Since this is a stock air filter, Harley doesn't recommend using cleaner oil. No solvent or gasoline for cleaning as well. I'm going ahead and following instructions. I wash the filter element and breather tubes in lukewarm water with a mild detergent. Yeah baby, here is how polluted is air in LA. The water is almost black. I guess I'm gonna rinse it with clean water and repeat the procedure for the second time. Seems like this time water is not painted black. So I'm good to rinse the element along with the breather tubes. Harley says, allow filter element to air dry or use low pressure compressed air from the inside. I can't find better tool than hair dryer. I switch it on a lightly warm mode and dry the filter. Unfortunately, there is always something stuck in there and you cannot reach with just water. And simple tweezers can help you to remove them. In my case, I found mostly plants pieces and insects, poor things. Just be very careful not to damage the filter. Now everything is nice and clean and I'm gonna put all elements back in order. As you can see, it's not hard. It took a few minutes to take care of my bike's air cleaner. As I mentioned before, I'm happy with the stock air filter. And as long as I keep it clean, my Dragon bike breathes well and runs great. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.